How to dispute a debit order on Capitec Bank app. Welcome and let's get right into this easy tutorial. To start off, you need to head over to your Capitec Bank app. So the process is pretty simple than you think. Firstly, you need to navigate to the Transact option from the list of your menu. Then choose on the debit orders. Enter the secret remote PIN to log in, after which you will see all of the debit history within your Capitec Bank. You also have to select a reason for the dispute. Common reasons include unauthorized debit order or incorrect amount. Review, then confirm the details before submitting the dispute. Capitec Bank will investigate the disputed debit order and communicate the outcome to you. Disputing a valid debit order could have negative consequences, so make sure the debit is truly unauthorized before proceeding. If you need further assistance regarding it, you can check out Help and Support of Capitec Bank. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.